Hello, my name is Philip and this is new GAN's 356S, newest 3x3 model made by the GAN's company that I ordered from Taobao.com with a price tag of $20 US. The seller himself helped me on how to order the cube since there is no English anywhere on the website and the cube was in my hands in Serbia in 2 weeks. I was very pleased and satisfied and I recommend buying from this seller whose link to his shop is down below. This is right from the box. I won't change its settings for a while since it's awesome already. This is how it looks. It has golden logo on it and it's factory stickered with half-bright stickers of my choice. There are two options during ordering for the sticker shade: standard shades and half-bright shades. Only thing I don't like is that you get golden logo only on the cube and not on the sticker sets. I'm using my cell phone to make this video, so its cheap camera cannot show you full color shades, but instead these washed out creepy looking stickers. In person these colors are darker and fuller, so don't worry about it, it's beautiful. The stickers itself are decent quality and color and are thin enough but not too much, so I feel the cube itself more than stickers on it. This is my first black cube, so I don't see blue during solves, which confuses me and reduces my speed, but I'm starting to adapt to it. Maybe this blue could be a little bit lighter, but again I'm using white cubes, so it will be better over time. Size is standard 56mm, and to me it looks very small because when you compare 57mm white cube that I'm used to and 56 black cube, the black cube looks so tiny and adds to your psychological feeling that the cube is smaller than it is. It comes perfectly looped and turning of this cube is unbelievably easy, smooth and flawless, but at the same time the cube itself holds to its integrity and stays firm and controllable with standard springs number 8 that comes in it. It looks like it can't be, nor it requires to be broken in, and I can't imagine what could I wish more of the cube. The cube is perfectly aligned and balanced, every piece of it has its path and the cube feels that way. Everything is adjustable on it as described in the user manual. The springs have the most important role in the feeling that you have with this cube. If you like ridiculous and effortless reverse corner cutting and turning, then you install soft springs. On the other side, if you like hard and steady cube with more control, less speed and reverse corner cutting that actually requires touching the cube, you can install hard springs and enjoy your new main. As I mentioned, corner cutting is effortless and in full 90 degrees, which means wherever you cut, it will cut one way or another. After a few hundred solves, I still did not came across any lockups and catches, and the feel is more and more enjoyable. On factory settings, popping is not an issue on this cube. You can't even disassemble it unless you unscrew the nuts in the center pieces and the cube will just glide in every direction you want instead of popping, even if it's possible. This is how the good corner cutting is. As you can see, it cuts everywhere. Full 90 degrees corner cutting. So you don't have to worry if it cuts 45 degrees or 60 degrees, it cuts 90 degrees. springs are screwed into the centerpiece. And now you can see the inside of the cube and main changes on it. Entire center cap is rounded and narrowed down, as you can see. I try to adjust an angle. Corner pieces are remodeled to separate the cubie from its stand, so the corner twists are also near to impossible. At least I haven't had any. Their edges are a little sharper now, so they slide over the center caps without any problems. As you can, I will try to show you. You can see those edges right here. See how sharp it is, and that glides over these new center caps. With no catches and lockups. So those three changes solves all the problems that earlier versions have. Everything else looks like earlier version, except the mold is brought to perfection and no seams or plastic chips can be found anywhere on the cube. The cube comes with this new version box, metal nut driver, spare set of nuts and washers, an entire set of 4 different springs, 3 sets and 4th in the cube. Also, it comes with this cool bag that you can carry your cube around, and also with the instruction manual that I find very interesting because it have everything you ever need to know about settings of the cube. Whatever you need to change or adjust at your preference, it is here. So don't oversee the instruction manual, since it's not only the solving manual, but instead it's completely useful, and you can save that for later inspection. All in all, I'm really happy with this cube. I do recommend buying it, since they really put an effort in the whole thing, and I think it's worth every cent that is at the moment. We can compare with few cubes that I have, so you can hear the sound difference and to judge for yourself. You can see. Thank you for watching, I hope you like it and that you have use of any information provided. Have a good day, see you next time.